Hi there, this is Sarah. Today I will take you through to the InventoryDay software suite of the Business Day software. So this is an inventory management software, complete automated inventory management and billing. Now this is inventory item list. So this is the item master list view of, if you can see over here, we have all items. So this can be different finished goods, raw materials, semi-finished goods, or you can say formulations. So you can also see the available quantity of each of these products in the warehouse. So the available quantity is a cumulative quantity of the available inventory in all the warehouses for each of these products. So and the price of each of them. This is the detailed view of the item master, which has the unique item code assigned to each item. It has the unique barcode for each item. So the barcode gets generated over here. Once you put in the barcode here, that can be read by a barcode reader. Plus, you can set up the minimum and the maximum inventory in the under this inventory tab. Here, you can also manage your inventory batch wise and serial wise. And then we have the planning method. So the planning method is nothing but wherein you can assign a particular um, uh, the way how you manage your inventory. So if you make the make a particular product in your work center, then you can define the planning method as make. Or if you send it for subcontracting, then you can select as contract manufacturing, and accordingly for a raw material, if you buy it, you put the planning method as buy. The valuation method is nothing but how you manage your inventory with first in, first out, first expiry, first out, or last in, first out. Plus the warehouse is nothing but wherein you can map the warehouses for each of these inventories. So which inventory is mapped, like how much in which inventory is in which warehouse. So the warehouse tab helps you to manage that. Next, we have the stock availability. So here we are considering a particular product, which is Morty's Locks, and we will see all the transactions related to this Morty's Locks product. Now, if you see over here, the stock on hand for the Morty's Lock finished product is 500 quantity. So you can see over here, we have the inventory software can keep the track of each item. As you can see for this Morty's Locks, we have 500 pieces. So that's what's here. So here in this stock availability feature, it helps you to know, it actually evaluates the inventory in all the warehouses and gives you the exact stock on hand in each of those warehouses. Plus committed is what you have committed to your customers, the sales order numbers. And ordered is what you have ordered, like the purchase order, or if a particular product is in the production order, then that order will show up over here. And available, so after committing the quantity and the ordered material, how much is available is what shows up over here. So next we will consider the item receipt. So item receipt is how much. Item receipt is a transaction wherein you are receiving the product into your warehouse. So you have received, you can see here, we have received the items in the warehouse 75. So if you see here, I am receiving 75 of this Morty's Locks into my warehouse. So 500 was my stock on hand quantity. Stock check. So after that, the quantity is increased by 75. So initially it was 500. After the item received quantity, Morty's Locks has been increased now. Next is item issue. Item issue marks the movement of goods out of your warehouse. So it's the outgoing of material out of your warehouse. So if I'm doing an item issue for Morty's Locks for 25, okay, so if you see, the stock has been reduced by 25. So now initially it was 575, now it's 550. So this is how the movement of goods, like the item issue and item receipt transactions documents, helps you to record the movement of goods in and out of your system. Next, we have the inventory transfer. So this is the Mortis log. So inventory transfer is a particular document which helps you to transfer your inventory from one warehouse to another warehouse, that is from the source warehouse to the destination warehouse. So in inventory transfer, we also have inventory transfer request, wherein you can first make a request to your authorized personnel, and then once the inventory is being authorized to get transferred, then you can make an inventory transfer from the system to another warehouse. So after the inventory is being transferred, so the quantity in hand is 550 right now, and we have transferred 150. So if you see over here, the inventory is being divided in those two warehouses. Stock on hand is 400 in the first warehouse, the initial one, and then the destination warehouse, 150 is being transferred. So this is how you can manage the inventory and the inventory transfer in your system. So these are few of the features of the inventory management software suite. For more information, you can visit our website www.businesspointers.com, or you can email us at demo@businesspointers.com. Thank you so much.